Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm EW. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Echo Show 10 with motion. But before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button, and if you can, make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos. Let's check it out. So today we're talking about a third generation Echo Show 10 with a 10.1 HD smart display with motion. The resolution is 1280 by 800. You have two 1-inch tweeters, one 3-inch woofer, and a 13 megapixel camera with autofocus. So upon opening the box, the first thing you'll find is a AC adapter. It's not a proprietary adapter, it's just a regular plug-in that plugs into the back of the device. Then you're meted with paperwork, and then you'll find the device itself. So the 10.1 display doesn't quite spin around 360 degrees, but you can see that it does have quite a range of motion. You can see you have the 13 megapixel camera on the top right with a manual privacy setting. You also have the volume rockers on the top, separate buttons, plus, minus, and also you have the power button. Once you get the device plugged in, you're met with the Amazon Echo logo. Then you're going to be met with the getting your device online. I'm not going to bore you with the slow process of setting this up, but we will enter a time lapse so you can see how the process is done. Let's get started. Thank you for checking out this unboxing video of the Echo Show 10 with motion. Let me know in the comment section below how you feel about the product, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.